Fake or real? You can choose fake or real.
No, you are my girlfriend.
No. What? She said you are my girlfriend. I just want girlfriend, okay? So we go where? Eating! I agree. Yay!
So could you explain what is Fringe Festival?
Oh, I have no idea how to say. It's just a crazy gathering. It's very strange for foreign guys.
Oh, nice. Okay. Yay! Hello. Food.
Like this, on the right?
2, 1, cheers!
Thank you.
I share with you.
Half. Yeah.
Oh, don't know.
You drop it. No. 5 seconds, okay.
What the fuck?
It's totally cream. No, that's not.
Korea 3 seconds.
No, 5 seconds. Definitely in this country. Whee! Beautiful. So what this half mix?
Salami and margarita.
Pizza.
Oh, okay. One day. We can together and then go out, alright?
Okay.
Get together and go out.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
This one?
You don't like it?
The wine?
Why? But you like sweet one. You like sweet.
Yay!
I don't know. Which one you want to eat?
Both.
Get back to your boyfriend. Oh,
Let me do it again. Can you say Opa again?
Oppa Gangnam Style.
You know. No Opa. Oppai means booby.
Oppai? In Japanese?
In Japanese.
Oppai.
Oppai.
Oppai. Not Oppai.
Oppa Gangnam Style. Okay.
So funny.
I was so surprised.
Yeah. Oppai.
Oppai.
Wait, Oppa. Show me. Oppa!
It's like
씨발.
yeah, that's
I just know 사랑해요. It's enough.
You watch a lot of Korean dramas. Why you just only watch 사랑해요?
When I watching movie, when they talk, I know.
You just can hear, but you can speak.
Yeah.
You should try it.
Did you enjoy?
Enjoy. So late.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, of course. Tell me. I love it.